Well, good morning, everybody, and I do mean morning. It's about welcome to the bog. This is a Barlow Brigade presentation from the bog, sponsored by Max and Milo, the executive directors, are both. I guess they're outside. I hadn't seen them in a minute. Anyway, man, I had a day. Woke up this morning to go do my eBay orders about 5:30 or right after I did my tabletop toting. I went in there and pressed a button on my computer. Dead. Got hit by lightning, I'm pretty certain, because there was a couple other things in there that one of the power strips that I had, it wouldn't reset, so pretty sure that's what happened. So I spent all day purchasing, setting up, and trying to get a new computer to run to where I could ship my eBay orders. I had 6 orders I had to get out, so that took the whole day. I didn't even have time to do YouTube, Deep South Cutlery, nothing. I showed up down there about 20 minutes after they started the Whatnot show, sat around there for about, I don't know, an hour, maybe 2, and had to come on back home. So it's late, but today, or this video, is Modified Monday. If y'all notice, I have switched. I normally sit on the other side of this table, and now I'm on this side of the table. So I'm looking where y'all used to be looking, and this is the other side. There's 2 double doors in here. That went into the living room. This goes into the den. So I'm sitting in a new location. I got the entire bog is in transition. It's just that, it's that time. Everything needs to move. A lot of stuff needs to go. But anyway, y'all not worried about my troubles, what I got going on. Anyway, I had to go to the bank, had to borrow some money, bought me a computer. No big deal. Whenever I have a tragedy, or not a tragedy, but whenever something goes bad, if I have to have tires or something, I've got what I call a floater loan. They take a little bit out of my check every month to pay it, and I haven't had to have anything like that in quite a while. So when I went up there, I didn't owe much, and of course they're very gracious at my local bank. They've known me. I've been a member there, or I had an account there since I was born. My daddy was the CEO of that bank for 32 years, and so they know me. I sat in the vice president's office for about 45 minutes, and we talked about what was going on, and he just looked at me and said, "How much you want?" and took care of it. I didn't get a whole bunch of money. I just got enough to get a computer, and I actually bought a laptop, which is unusual for me. And all that, I had to get up to speed on all that. I didn't know anything about a laptop. I've always been a desktop guy, and I've had a phone. Now my phone, of course, it's a computer too. But anyway, all that's good. But anyway, look at that, AWC Knife Show right there. 81 days. Y'all see the little countdown I got right there beside it? 81 days until the mobile bog joins the convoy with Brother Rex Wiseman, his beautiful wife, Vestige, and we're going to go on the Crippling Crazy Tour 2026, which is our epic adventure going to Ellerville, Georgia. So, but we got this coming weekend. We have the bottle sale, and then 2 weekends after that we have the barn sale. And then we have a lull until between the middle of October until we have to go to Ellerville. And so we're not stagnant here in the bog. It may slow down a bit, but my eBay store is doing very well. I want to thank everybody that has bought from my eBay store. If you're a family member and you bought from me, thank you so much. Anyway, Modified Monday. I don't have any of my stickers or any of that stuff. I could probably reach over and get them, but you know what? Aaron Williams, y'all know him. Let me see. Wait, hold on. Look at that. Y'all see me? Look at that. Hello. Anyway, Aaron Williams. I got a handful of stickers. I don't know what I picked up. Oh, look at that. eBay sticker. Anyway, Aaron Williams, A-Dub, Mr. Williams, great fella. Y'all know him. Anyway, he inspires me to do what I do. Also, at this time, I'd like to shout out somebody that has a channel, and it's called Old Knives Matter. And I'm pretty sure that's his YouTube thing. I will link it in the description. Now, y'all go down in my description because I got Sean EDC Mech in there. I've got all the Deep South links. There's probably 12 or 13 links, so you have to copy them and then paste them over into whichever browser you use, and these channels will pop right up. So y'all don't forget that, man. Y'all need to visit these people. The reason that they're in my description is because they're all solids in my life. But anyway, Old Knives Matter. Mr. Steve Coronado. He's from Roswell, New Mexico. He is not a Barlow guy, first. Second of all, just an outstanding gentleman. Man has a exquisite character. Just a great guy. I broke bread with him in Mississippi. We met for the first time in Ellerville last year. He was one of the long haul. Well, he was the long haul. Now there was a lady that flew from California, but he drove. I think, if my mind is right, I think he drove 17 hours to get here from Roswell, New Mexico. Now that's dedication right there, guys. It's like Second Chance George. He did the same thing. So anyway, I mean, those guys get on those adventures. You know, they have a blast. You know, they really do. But anyway, Steve Coronado, he has a eBay store. He has a whatnot stale that's just cooler than cornbread. And the knife that I modified is going to be one that I bought off his eBay store. He did what was called a white sale. Everything he sold was white bone, and he did it for creators like me. And I bought 3 knives from there, and this is the first one of those. And this is a product, guys, that is overlooked more than you can imagine. Okay? These are fine pocket knives. Okay? And it is Roper knives. Okay? Now, I carried one yesterday, the one I got from Aaron Williams, one that I did a little modification on. But Roper knives. Now, this is I don't know the pattern, it's a R Roper 0005, and it's CWB. If I can get that in there for y'all. CWB. Okay? And that stands for clip white bone. Okay? Because this pocket knife has a clip. Now, it was white when I got it, guys, so here you go. Okay? It is a single-bladed trapper in carbon steel. Don't forget that. They do stainless steel, but these people really like their carbon steel. And Brother Stephen shared that these people are from the owner. It's AP American Knife, APTK. I should know better. But it is, you know, they have cattleman cutlery, they have Roper knives, they have American Buffalo. Anyway, it'll be somewhere. I'll have it listed in here somewhere. But I want y'all to look. Now, what I did is I did a little burn job on this and then polished it all back up. Got it where it looked kind of pretty. You know, but beautiful knife, man. It's a lock back, slimline trapper with a clip. Okay? Now, the other thing is this knife will be available on my eBay store. Okay? I bought this to sell and modify it and sell it. Great pocket knife. Slim, very slim. Fit right down in your pocket. And I don't think anybody's going to have any trouble with that right there. Okay? I promise you, the one that I carry, the one I got from Aaron Williams, I don't know where it's at. Probably back there on my nightstand. But anyway, great pocket knife. Okay, that's what I got for Modified Monday, guys. Now, the last thing, let's see, the last subject I'm going to touch on is I have a new sponsor, okay? And the sponsor is Beverly's Nailsmith in Florence, Alabama, okay? She is not only the owner-operator of Beverly's Nailsmith, which is a nail salon that specializes in top shelf stuff, okay? She's also she's a craft lady. She loves to do her crafts. She does all kinds of stuff in that particular genre. She also is the CEO of Cook's Customs. Y'all may have heard of Mr. Charlie Cook. I think I mentioned his name on here several times. Mr. Charlie Cook is the COO, and she is the COO, and that is Chief Everything Officer. Okay, so that means if something goes on over there, she's in charge. Okay, that's the way I read that. But anyway, I have put a Google link in my description to her store, her salon, and if you are in the greater Florence area, which I understand is a booming metropolis over there in northern Alabama, if you're within an hour's driving and you want top-notch nail work done, you're one of those ladies that likes to have your nails. You know, there ain't nothing wrong with looking good, baby. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Or if you're a man that just likes to have a manicure every now and then, something a lot of men do. So anyway, y'all go see Beverly's Nailsmith in Florence, Alabama, and Miss Beverly will hook y'all up, okay? Now then, guys, y'all know that Jesus Christ is the Lord of my life. If you will do your best, the Lord will handle the rest. Always keep a Band-Aid candy, and don't even have my coin with me, but y'all know, Waller. Follow rule number 9, always carry a pocket knife. Y'all have a wonderful Tuesday. Big Jim loves y'all. Goodbye.